Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Mama Shodil Islam. Today I shall discuss about the types of repo. Repo is the agreement between the seller and buyer of financial securities about the lending and borrowing of funds. In today's repo market, various types of repo exist, and I have discussed some of them in this video. Number one is the whole loan repo. The repo that is collateralized by the loan or other debt obligations rather than the financial security is known as the whole loan repo. Whole loan repo offer attractive rate of return to the lender because its collateral quality is very poor. Number two is equity repo. The repo transaction that is based on the equity security such as common share or stock of any company is known as the equity repo. Equity repo is relatively new in the repo market. In classic repo transactions, the underlying security is in the form of the government treasury bill or bond. In the past, equity repo was not imaginable because fixed income securities are considered the safest form of repo collateral. Number three is callable repo. The lender has the right to terminate the repurchase agreement before the maturity period. It is called the callable repo. In other words, the lender has the right to call back cash that lent out to the borrower, and this is called the callable repo. This option will be exercised when the interest rate is rising during the repo period. When the interest rate of the money market is higher than the repo rate, then investors just try to withdraw the money from the borrower and try to invest it other source where interest rate is higher. Number four is cross currency repo. The currency denomination in borrowing amount and the collateral security is different. Types of repo is called the cross currency repo. For example, certain amount borrowing in US dollar against the collateral security denominated in euro, bond or treasury bill. Cross currency repo is high risky because it is vulnerable to fluctuation of foreign exchange rate, and this repo also subject to the political risk. Number five is delivery repo. A borrower of the security hand over to the lender, and these types of repo is called the delivery repo. The questioned security are delivered to the lender or his designated custodial agent who has no relationship with the borrower. Number six is hold-in custody repo. The borrower of cash does not deliver the financial collateral as security to the lender, and these types of security called hold-in custody repo. In these repo systems, the seller of the financial security retain it on his own custody as collateral on behalf of the buyer during the repo period. Number seven is classical repo. Classical repo is the initial sale of securities with a simultaneous agreement to repurchase in the future date. In this conventional repo, the start and ending price of the financial security are the same. Here the borrower pays interest to the lender separately. Dear viewers, that is all for today. If you think that this video is beneficial to you, please subscribe my channel for more videos. So thank you, bye bye.